How to request a refund on Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to request a refund on Shopee. First of all, open Shopee.com. Click on your username to open your profile. Here are different options to pay, ship, receive, complete, and cancel. Click on Return Refund to check your return refund case. You do not have any return refund cases for now. Click on Help to see further details. Your Help Center page will open in a new tab. Here is the option of return and refunds on the right side of the page. Click on it. Here are some raising requests like what kind of products are not allowed for physical return. You can help with how I request for perishable goods or what happens after a seller receives my return or refund request. Scroll down and see a lot of questions that you can ask for help. Click on How I Request for Perishable Goods. Perishable goods are non-refundable due to the nature of the products. Now open the Shopee customer service team in the new tab. Select what type of user you are as a buyer and what your inquiry is about. In the service team form, select Return Refund. Enter your Shopee username, email address, and order ID. You can add descriptions about your product and can upload files. Add a description that I want to refund. That's how you can request a refund on Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.